Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to create Lightbox in Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and now click on add elements in this left hand menu and here select interactive. Under interactive you will find here lightboxes, and under lightboxes you will find 4 different lightboxes options. You can select welcome lightbox, subscription lightbox, promotion lightbox and contact lightbox. So now I'm going to adding a subscribe lightbox to my Wix website. So here's I'm selecting this lightbox. And as you can see, the lightbox successfully added. Now it's time to customize this lightbox. So I'm going to selecting this lightbox headline text, and now you can easily change this text. And so all you have to need, go ahead and select every text and replace text with your own text. And to change or replace the image, select the image and just click on change image to replace the image. Now select the lightbox, main lightbox, and click on settings, and here you can change your lightbox name and which pages is to on. You can change the page from here. So I want to show this lightbox in my home page, so here's I've selected home page, and okay, the lightbox has been successfully added. And now I will connect this lightbox with a button. So here's I'm clicking on this page drop down and selecting home page, going to my home page editor, and now let's add a button here. So clicking on add elements and here selecting button, and let's add this button for example. And here as you can see, the button added. Now I'm going to changing button text to subscribe. Okay, now select the button and click on link, and now we are going to link the lightbox with this button. So here's what do you want to link to. Here you have to select lightbox and which lightbox. Click on this drop down and select the lightbox you've just created. So my one is subscribe lightbox, and I'm clicking on done. And now let's preview the site. Now I'm clicking on subscribe, and as you can see, my lightbox has been successfully opened, and now any visitors will be able to easily sign up using their email address here. So this is how we can add lightbox in our Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.